Researchers plan to test residential wells near several Hancock County schools to see if their wastewater is causing the spread of PFAS chemicals.
Filtration systems were installed at Mount Desert High School several years ago after elevated levels of toxic chemicals were discovered in its drinking water. Despite those steps, the toxins are showing up in the water supply of people near the school. Now, experts want to pinpoint the contamination and see if more homeowners are at risk. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee has the story from Mount Desert Island.
MDI Bio Lab scientists are tracking a link between rural schools and PFAS chemicals contaminating nearby homeowners' drinking supplies.
Where PFAS might be moving in the watershed, who else might be affected, where should we prioritize our next sampling?
Jane Disney is an associate professor at the Independent Lab in Bar Harbor. Over the past several years, scientists have identified elevated levels of toxic chemicals in residential wells near 3 Hancock County schools: Mount Desert Island High School, Tremont Consolidated School, and Trenton Elementary. All of the campuses have water filtration systems after high levels were discovered in their water supplies.
Well, it doesn't mean that they don't have PFAS in the wastewater coming out of their school into their septic and leach field.
Scientists say cleaning supplies and floor wax commonly used in schools are made with PFAS that go through septic systems and seep into the groundwater. Mount Desert Island Regional School System Superintendent Mike Sabore says the district hopes to switch to PFAS-free alternatives. A district committee is also considering spending $5 million to connect the school to municipal water and wastewater systems.
The only way to really at least get it away from this environment is to try a municipal system.
Now, Tremont has a history with PFAS contamination, possibly linked to a former landfill, but scientists want to find out if the school, which is also not connected to town water or has sewer infrastructure, is also a source of the contamination.
The lab is expanding water testing to homeowners who live near all 3 schools. Researchers will utilize dozens of test kits from Maine laboratories to take tap water samples. Critical results will give researchers more comprehensive data as stricter national standards for PFAS in drinking water go into effect in about 3 years. And an important opportunity to take protective action.
We live in a place where the majority of the island is a national park, and national parks are there to preserve nature for all to sort of see.
To help lower the impact of PFAS on the community's health. On Mount Desert Island, Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.